Hi guys, welcome back with me again and the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage your KineMaster projects. So if you have projects on KineMaster, it will be shown in here on the create button, so you can see your history of projects that you created on KineMaster. So if you want to short your projects based on the so this first one is that modify. If you want to change how you can short the project, you can just click on the drop down. So there are three options. You can short it by date it modified, date created, and also the name. So for example, I'm going to short it by the date it's created. So just click on date created and it will be short based on the what you chose. And after that, if you want to rename a project so it will make it easier for you to find it, you can just click on the three dots icon in here. Then you'll see the rename options. So for example, hit this one. I'm going to name it throw. It's like this. You can click on a check icon after you rename it, and you can also see the thumbnail here of the projects to see what's inside the project. But if you want to change it, you can just click on the projects, and in here you can go to where you want to move this display back into where you want to set it as thumbnail. For example, I'm going to go with here, and after that, you can click on thumbnail in here. Then here, tap on capture and add as thumbnail. So when you go back, it will change based on the the scene that you captured as thumbnail. And after that, in here, if you you can also rename the file if you upload it or save it as a Kine file. So when you click on the three dots icon, there's option export as Kine file, and after that you can just rename the files in here. So you can also upload projects into the cloud. So if you want to do that, you can just click on the three dots icon and click on upload. Here you need to create an account first, but that's basically how you can backup your video, your projects, by uploading into the cloud. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.